Hello, my name is Trayton Davison, and this is my video on the South American Plate. Attempt number 6. The structure of the tectonic plates are large solid slabs of rock made of oceanic and continental lithospheric crust. These plates can vary from 15 to 200 kilometers thick and can spread from hundreds to thousands of kilometers long. Convection currents under the plates can cause them to move, resulting in events like the breakup of Pangea. Each year, the plates shift a few centimeters, and this can cause effects on the world. This is my visual on the boundary map. The North American Plate, the Scotia Plate, the Caribbean Plate, the Nazca Plate, the African American Plate, and the Antarctic Plate all border the South American Plate. What kind of crust tops the plate's lithosphere? The South American Plate is mostly made of continental crust, which is made out of sedimentary, granitic, and metamorphic rocks. Oceanic crust consists of rocks like basalt, which are rich in magnesium and iron. Due to the buoyancy of this plate, the crust floats higher on the Earth's mantle, making it above the sea level. This plate is primarily the continental crust, so it doesn't have as much basalt, so it's less heavy and it's buoyant. How can we find the boundary type? There are two clear boundary types for the South American Plate. The African and the South American plates are pulling away from each other in a divergent boundary on the east, and the Nazca Plate is converging with the South American Plate on the west. This is a big reason why the Andes Mountains are formed, and if we go back, you can see, as I said before, the African and the South American Plate used to be part of Pangea, and they fit together, and they've been going apart, separating for millions of years. For my open-ended question, I thought of in what ways do tectonic plates shifting affect us and our environment. I stated in the beginning that each year the shift is a few centimeters, and I was thinking, can we find a visual or environmental change over the last century? And how does that affect us today? And how can that affect our environment in the future? These are my sources. I'm tired. Thank you. Good night.